So guys,
Mom is live.
good evening. Another crazy
Fix it up.
order.
No, that's a lot. Right.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I can finish it.
So this one is
No, you don't do this every
10
day.
pieces.
10 pieces.
There's 10.
So yeah, we already get 10 yesterday and
10 now.
There's 10 in there?
yeah, 4 different kind.
We don't know. We can't read Chinese.
So let's unbox this kind of crazy idea.
Hey, they boxed it up good.
Yeah.
Wrapping.
This is not for sale.
That's for us, not you guys.
No,
This for us is what you call that?
no, we're not selling this.
It's the for quick if you're hungry and you don't like to cook. It's just like an instant noodles.
But hon, hey, listen. If there was a market for it, you could stock up and have 200 packs and people would buy them. Hey, I gotta see this. I gotta want to see.
80 pesos. If you order a lot, 80 pesos. If you not order a lot, you will be happy.
But for 80 pesos, they're only paying 50 or 60 for them. Ah, something's going wrong there. Mommy's magic. Mommy's doing magic.
Magic.
I'm so excited.
So high, I've been waiting all day. Man, they really wrapped it, didn't they? Damn. Look at this.
Bruh.
What it, damn.
Huh?
You're not even looking what it is.
Oh!
What is it?
It's the same.
What is it?
Crazy.
You mean the same? Dog food? Cat food? Beef? Chicken?
I don't
Fish?
know.
Well, read.
Why you let me read? I don't know how to read Chinese. Korean. Crazy. Stupid.
It's got floor in there.
Clip.
Hot.
So we have what you call that? 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 boxes of what you call that?
Oh,
And I have mine right here. Show it.
And she
yeah,
have,
right over.
yeah, she's eating the other one.
Wow. Hi.
So people who want like this, come here, buy. It's 100 pesos.
No, you can buy it for 80, sell them for 100. Man, fun.
Yeah.
Beats the hell out of a little cafe. Oh, moly. Look at this, huh?
It's a crazy buying, guys.
1, 2, 3.
So we have already there, I think, 15 or 16.
24.
But we eat yet over there or this morning.
Yeah.
So this is, guys, na budol. This is really true budol.
It's not.
For the lazy. Tell them to.
For the lazy, Mara.
It's not CGI, right? It's not CGI.
Wow. Hi.